Hello everyone, Von Marie here and welcome to the Scrappiness YouTube channel. So we're going to make an Easter card. I do have a few extra dies out here that I'm not going to use, but I am going to use this Fall Garland Wreath. And I love this wreath, and even though it's fall, I'm going to use it for a spring card. And I'm going to use this bunny from the Peking Bunny craft dies, which I think is so cute. And you get dies for the face, you get the ears. Let me see. You just get for the paws, and you can change the bunny so you have like the bunny butt. So it's so cute. I'm using my small die cutting machine here, and I'm just going to put this bunny together. I ended up, well, I cut this bunny out with white cardstock, and of course my wreath is with green cardstock. And I ended up using the one for the face, the die that cuts out the nose and the cheeks. I cut that out with white cardstock, and then I cut it out with black for the eyes, and then I cut it out with pink cardstock. So, and if you didn't want to do all those steps, you can color it with your markers, or maybe you can run them all together. Sometimes you can run different cardstock together at the same time, like layer it. And so I could have did that as well, but I didn't do that. So, but it's okay. So I'm just putting all my pieces here, and then I will put my bunny together. So here it is with the pink, and so I wanted the ears and the paws and the nose and the cheeks with pink cardstock. So I guess I could have just ran it through 2 times, pink and black. That would have been better. So maybe do that next time, save you some time. And I like that it shows you where to put the ears and the nose and the cheeks. And so I love that about this die set. I think I did it the other way too with the bunny butt, but I can't remember. So maybe last year I did do that. And just putting it together with my liquid glue. And these eyes that I'm going to use, they have like little lashes, which I think is so cute. And I love that the nose is a heart as well. There is a different option for eyes, so you can just do dots for the eyes if you don't want to do the lashes. But I wanted to make her a little girly. And so I cut out the berries from the Fall Garland Wreath with white cardstock, and I'm just gluing all those in, which was fun to do. I believe I was watching a movie while I was putting all these in, so it's fun to craft. I enjoy crafting while watching something. So even music's fun, so I hope you do that as well. And so just finishing putting in the berries, and it was, even though there's a lot of berries, it's easy to do if you just put a drop of glue on each berry and then just use your tool. So here is the Nutcracker paper pad, and I love the pattern paper from this Christmas paper pack. And so I'm going to be using the pink polka dots, and I'm also going to be using the blue that I showed on the left there. And I'm just looking at my card here. And then I'm going to use that A2 postage craft die, postcard craft die, and then I'm going to use the leaves with that pattern paper, which was from the Starlight Jewel Remix pattern paper. So I thought it would be fun to use that green for the leaves because it's more of a spring color to me. And it's polka dot, so it's going to match that polka dot postage background. And so I'm just going to be gluing all those in. So pretty easy. There's no stamping on this card, and I fumble things when I craft, so my glue bottle just went to the side there. And so thankfully I have two hands because I've been using my left hand a lot more lately. So here is my A2 card base, and I'm just using my Teflon folders to crease those. And now I'm going to be putting my card together. So again, using my liquid glue, and I love that back of that pattern paper as well. It's little snowflakes, so I believe I've used that. And so I love that I have a lot of pattern papers left over in this paper pack, and I love that you can use it all year round. Perfect. So now I'm just going to glue my wreath, and adding lots of drops of glue because I do not want my wreath to come off. And I think it makes a cute Easter wreath, especially with that bunny. And you can add other things as well, like you can add some chicks, or you can add like a little basket with Easter eggs. That would be cute as well. So I'm sure anything to make it spring. Even add some flowers to it. And I'm just adding some foam tape in the back of my bunny. I'm placing my bunny kind of low on my card, so it is going to, when I stand it up, like my bunny is the one really holding the card up. And just taking off the release paper, which I always struggle with. And then using my tweezers, and I love these rainbow ombre tweezers. They are my favorite. And I will list everything down below in case you're interested. I'm adding some white gel pen accents to the eyes, and I'm using a Copic marker here for the ears, just giving it a little bit of something, and for the paws and the cheeks there. So I will list that color if you're interested. And I cut out the Easter wishes, just the sentiment word die from the Easter wishes, and a bushel of bunnies craft dies, which I love that set also. And so I cut it out with that blue pattern paper from earlier, and I'm just going to glue it to my card. And so Easter wishes. And the last thing I am going to do is add some sequins. I couldn't figure out which sequins to add. I was just going to do clear. And then I grabbed my pastel solid round confetti sequins here, and I'm going to be adding a few of those to this card. And I'm using my triangle embellishment tray, and then I will add a few using my dual-ended tool here, and liquid glue. And so I think this card came together pretty easy and fun, and I think it's a great spring Easter card. So I hope you, if you don't have this set, check it out. I know Scrappiness always has a lot of sales going on, so make sure and check that out, any sales, embellishments, and also be subscribed to the newsletter, because you just never know what new news there is. And follow us in the Facebook group, the Scrappiness Insiders. And here's a closer look, and thank you for joining me, and have a wonderful day.